Okay, so Reebok is a father-father double, just like the word moth and the word index, 2828. And this is very obvious, okay, because Reebok, let's get the double on camera because it's a father-father double. Reebok, slice it in half. R-E-E equals 28, center father. Bok equals 28, center father. Done. Reebok is a double father. That is a revelation from the living God. This brand is here to stay. It is here to continue to bless people with fine shoes, fine clothing, the whole deal. And have you noticed that all shoes and all clothing always have two halves, you know, because the human body is symmetrical. So Reebok is a great brand, okay? So Reebok, slice it in half. 28 on the left, 28 on the right. That is a perfect father-father double, just like the word of the Lord that came to me yesterday, moth. Okay, and the Lord ordains two moths for me to see during the day, the second of which landed on the mirror in the bathroom, showing off the duplicate image, the perfect mirror nature of the word moth, M-O-28, T-H-28. So we're getting revelations on the number 56 that it is a double father, a pair of 28s, which is a double center father. So Reebok is a famous brand. I've enjoyed these shoes for a long time. You can see how well worn they are. And now God has given me the revelation on who owns this brand and who's behind it. I mean, that's been chewed up from playing tennis. I'm a right-handed tennis player, and so my left toe tends to get more action. But there you go. Okay, so Reebok is unapologetically the father-father double. And there's only one thing better than one Reebok, and that's multiple Reeboks. Okay, so then when you pluralize to say Reeboks, now you get your father-father triple. Okay, and I love their logo because it glorifies the Trinity. Done. So the revelation is on, the hunt is on. We just got the word index, which is double 28, double father. You can slow down like on the word index. Oh, X is 4 different from the T. D is 4 different from the H. So you're comparing it to the center of father, which is the great T, 20, plus H, 8, 28 at the dead center father, which provides the +1 offset. So in the word index, okay, just slow down. X from the T, 4 points. D from the H, 4 points. I, and then now the I-N-E. I from the H, 1 point. N-E from the T, a single point. It's very satisfying. The offset, same with Reebok, okay? Reebok is just like the number 3, okay? Where you get the R-E-E, 28, and then this equals T-H, okay? The word 3 is double father, double 28. Just like let there be light, and light is double 28. So Reebok is a great brand. It's here to stay. It's here to prosper. It's here to continue to be stamped on shoes and clothing everywhere. I have enjoyed many Reebok products in my life, but this is the first time I've understood the father-father double. So I want to preach this on camera and say, by all means, understand who's behind the company Reebok and why it's here.